So hey, hello guys, welcome back to the Tech with Tohraan channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a signature for your email. So let's get right into today's video. So as you guys can see, I will open an example. So I'll just cross that one out. So now if I come over here, you guys can see that this is a video file which is a video animated file, and beneath you have some text, and this is fully customizable and you do not need any third party software to download. All you need is Cupwing, jiffy.com, the logo of your channel, and a video file which I'll be sharing, which will be this. It is a green screen file, so it will be easily chroma keyed, and we can add the photo as well as the text to make it look more realistic. So first of all, what we need to do is open Cupwing and upload our video file, which will be chroma keyed using this. So we'll go to downloads, and okay. So now we are opening the file. And as you guys can see, if you go to effects, let it just load. Okay, a bit more, 99. You guys can see the option of chroma key, which helps removing the green color. So as you guys can see, the frame rate has been decreased, but it will be fine when we export it. So now what we need to do is another website called remove.bg. And I'll just show you why that what purpose does that site make in our video. Just cross this, and it helps you remove the background from your images. It is not that necessary, but if you want to make it a bit more professional, that is what I would recommend. So we are going to export the okay guys, so I'm going to go to open the image of our channel logo, and now we are going to download this to our desktop. Okay, so now if we come back to Cupwing, we are going to upload the same file that we just removed the background. What am I doing, guys? Okay, so now we have our video. I know it's a bit blur, but once you fit in it over here, it won't even make any difference. Okay, a bit more big. Okay, a bit small. Okay, so we are just going to keep it like that, and now we have our photo or the logo. Now we're going to add some text, and over here I'm going to use I think we'll be using, nope, not that one. We'll be using Amatic SC, and just need to write the name of our channel. So for my case, I'll just write Tech with Tohraan. And you can okay, it is not looking that much real, so we are just going to use Noto. Okay, we're just going to do that capitalization, and we're going to bring it a bit up and adjust that. So now that this is complete, we are going to export this. And now while that is being exported, we are going to go to our settings. Okay, then we are going to go see all settings. Okay, so now if we general, if we scroll down all the way down, you guys can, let me just cross these messages and let me full screen. Okay, so now as you guys can see, this is the video file that I have attached, and right now I'm just going to remove it and if I click on pictures, it only allows PNG, JPEG or video files that are GIF format. So for that we are going to go back to our file, and yep, now it's done. And now we are going to Jiffy, and you can create an account or start working without an account. So now we are going to Jiffy and create our video file into a GIF file so that we can upload our video that we created into our email. So we are just going to do okay. So I'll see you guys when I create an account.
A few moments later.
So now I've uploaded the file over here, and now we can do not touch this because the duration we do not want to, and now skip that, upload to Jiffy. Okay, so it is creating our GIF. So now we can copy the link from over here and go back to our Gmail, and then where we had our image. Okay, we are going to first of all remove this one that we have, remove, then we can add, insert image, web address, and we can paste the link. Oh sorry guys, I'll copy the link again. Okay, I guess the link is copied. Short link. Okay, we are going to copy the GIF link, and then we are going to go back and press that, and there we go, you have this. Select that, and then you have your GIF, and now you can even resize it, medium or large. I prefer large, I prefer original size, and then you can even add your text and then this. So now let me show you how does this look after we have uploaded this. Okay, we have to save changes, sorry. So it is saving. So now it is saved, and if I go to new, you guys can see that my GIF has been added, and we have this text which you can write right where I showed you. So that is it for today's video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more refreshing tech content, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.